All right, time to take a look at the Newmaster N6013 electrical tacker. So we do got instructions, and this is the tacker. And it actually feels really nice in the hand. Like, it actually feels like I got some mass in my hand. That's nice. And I can see here, looks like we got some tacks just to get started. So we got 4 packs of standard staples, and then we got 4 packs of nails. So I do like that they included all this, so as soon as we get the thing, we can start using it. So we do got a really nice thick wire, which I like to see because I don't have to worry about this thing over amping or anything like that. We got our on and our off switch, and then we've got our power dial. So if we need this thing to go a little bit deeper, we just turn that guy up. And here we got our trigger, and right here on the end is our pressure switch. So this is not going to fire unless you have that engaged. So you have to press that to the material in order for this to work. You can't just be firing this across the room. And to load it, all we have to do is pinch and pull. And we can drop our staples or our brads in there. And it does say if we're going to be using brads that we need to load them on this side. So let's go ahead and get it loaded up. I'm just going to start with staples. And when I push it, you can see it just locks it right in. Super easy. So I want to see what this will do on its lightest setting. So I want to see if this can work on particle board. So this is about 1/2 inch, maybe 5/8 inch particle board. And this is the lightest setting. Oh, wow. So you can see that almost sank it. So at the lightest setting, this has no problem sinking into particle board. Let's do a few more. Yeah, that's consistent, so that's great. We can give it a little bit more. Let's see if it'll go all the way. So these are all at the lightest setting, and then with a slight increase, we are getting all the way down. So that is fantastic. So now I just want to see what it'll do if I max it out. So there we go, that is max and that is max. So it's not putting it all the way through it, which I'm glad it's not doing that. It's not actually breaking these staples, so it's designed to work exactly how it should. And it is putting those staples exactly how I would want them. So now, I'm gonna swap this out and let's try our nails. So again, just dropping it in, pushing that up. Turn it back on, and let's go with the lightest setting and see what that looks like. So there's the lightest setting. It almost drove that all the way in. I'll give it a little bit more. There's the old one, and then this is the new ones. So let's give it a little more. We're going to go just under max. So there's just about the same. I'm just going to go straight to max. So there was the nearly max, and this is the max. So it didn't quite sink it underneath the surface. It just went right to the head. Now, depending on what you're actually trying to do, that might be good or that might be bad. You might have to give that another tap with a hammer to actually get it flush. But you're probably not going to be driving into thick board like this anyway if you're going to be using something like this. So yeah, if you want to attach baseboard or anything like that, this is going to be perfectly capable.